Hi guys, in the previous video we were discussing about metals and non-metal. There we discussed some of the differences between metals and non-metals. Right? So let us revise those differences between metals and non-metals. Right? So metals and non-metals. You know that usually metal are hard and solid, but whereas the non-metals are gaseous, right? This is the first difference. And the metals are malleable, meaning that they can be beaten down into thin sheets. But non-metals are not malleable. Similarly, the metals are ductile. What is the meaning of ductile? The meaning of ductile is that the metals can be drawn into thin wires, right? So the next property of the metals is that they are good conductors of heat and electricity. Heat and electricity. But whereas the non-metals are poor conductors of heat and electricity, right? Yes. One more thing we discussed, that is metals are sonorous. What do you mean by sonorous? They have the ability to make sound, but non-metals are non-sonorous. Also, the metals are lustrous. What do you mean by lustrous? They have the ability to shine, whereas non-metals are non-lustrous. And also, the metals, they have high melting point and boiling point. High melting point and boiling point. Whereas the non-metals, they have low melting point and boiling point. Low melting point and boiling point. So what is the reason we are studying this? What is the reason that we are studying the difference between the metals and non-metals? These are all physical differences. Physical. By looking at metal and non-metal, you are saying that this is the difference between metals and non-metals. There are so many examples of metals like calcium, zinc, copper, then aluminium, right, potassium, sodium. All these are all metals. Non-metals, most of them are gas, oxygen, nitrogen, right, chlorine, sulfur, phosphorus. All these are examples for non-metals, right. So now you have to understand that the difference that I have drawn here is true only for some of the metals or most of the metals, but it is not true for all the elements, right? It is not true for all the metals or non-metals, because in the nature there are some metals and non-metals which do not fall under this category, which expose an exception. Exception meaning out of the league, out of the group, right? So it means that I told you that the metals are generally solid. This is a generalization, right? So it means that most of the metals are generally solid, but not all. If you take an exception, I'm talking about exception. The exception is that one is mercury. Mercury is a metal which is liquid at room temperature. So mercury is an exception, right? Mercury is an exception. Next, if you take the iodine. Iodine is a non-metal. What are the properties of non-metals? The non-metals are non-lustrous, meaning they do not shine. But iodine, even being a non-metal, it has got the property of shining. That means it is a lustrous. Next thing is, if you look at these metals are what? Hard. Generally hard. If you look at iron, zinc, calcium, all other metals, they are strong, they are hard, right? But if you take sodium, potassium, sodium, or lithium, you take, they are so soft, that you can cut these metals with the knife. That much soft they are. So this is also one of the exception. Next, I have written here that the metals, they have high melting point and a high boiling point. But there are some metals, as soon as you keep them on your palm, they are going to melt down, and those metals are gallium and cesium. Gallium and cesium are those metals which have a very low melting point. They have so much low melting point that when you place them on your palm, as soon as you place them on your palm, they are going to evaporate, they are going to melt, right? So that is about gallium and cesium. Next, we have written that the metals are good conductors of heat and electricity. Which is the best conductor of heat? The best conductor of heat is a silver. After silver, copper is there. And which is the poor conductor of heat? The metal which is poor conductor of heat is a lead and as well as mercury. That you must remember. Now, if you look at the non-metals are very poor conductors of heat and electricity, right? But you look at carbon. What is the formula? The formula of carbon is C. It exists in two forms. The carbon in nature exists in two forms, and one is the graphite and one more is diamond. These two forms of carbon are called allotropes. They are called what? They are called allotropes. Allotropes means both of them have the same chemical formula. Graphite is also have the same chemical formula C. Diamond also has the chemical formula C. But both of them, their physically they appear different, but chemically all of them are same. Those substances are called as allotropes. Different forms of a substance are known as allotropes. Okay, so graphite and diamond are two allotropes of a carbon. Now, if you look here, graphite being a non-metal, it conducts electricity. Okay, so graphite is a good conductor of electricity. You can see graphite is good conductor of electricity. Now, you know the diamond, right? So how is the diamond? Diamond is the most hardest natural substance in the nature. But I told what? Usually the metals or non-metals are gaseous, right? Usually the hardest substance will be metals, but diamond being a non-metal is also a hardest substance. So these are all the different exceptions, you can say. These things do not fit into this. These are all the different exceptions. So therefore, because in nature there are so many exceptions to differentiate between metals and non-metal, it is quite not possible to differentiate metals and non-metals solely based on the physical differences. We should also look at their chemical properties and then give the properties of the metals and non-metals. Okay, so that we shall study in the next